Okay, prep test 63, game number 1. We've built our setup and now we're going to look at question number 1, which is, as expected, a possible scenario question. So all we need to do is go through the rules one at a time and eliminate answer choices that don't fit a rule. So, just to get our answer choices up on the screen here, our rules up on the screen, we will remember that L has to be in the appellate court, that K has to be in the trial court, and that H and P can never be in the same court as one another. So let's start with our first rule here. L is in the appellate court. So answer choice A, we can see right off the bat that L is not in the appellate court, so we can cross that one out. Answer choice B works, C works, D works, and E works because L is in the appellate court in all of those. So let's move on to our next rule. K is in the trial court. Here in B, K is in the trial court. Here in C, K is not in the trial court, so we can eliminate that one. In D and in E, K is in the trial court. So we can move on to our next rule. If H, then no P. Here in answer choice B, you'll notice that we have an H and a P together in the appellate court, so that one's out. And here in answer choice D, you'll notice we have an H and P together in the trial court, so that one's out, and the only remaining answer choice is E.